We often hear about 5G revolutionizing our wireless experience. But what's the secret behind it? Well, that's where VLSI chips come into play. That's the reason you might have seen telecom players like Jio, Airtel partnering with semiconductor companies like Qualcomm, Nvidia, Intel for 5G rollout. Before we get into the VLSI part, let's first understand what 5G is. 5G stands for 5th generation cellular technology, and it's game changer where 4G download speed range from 50 to 180 Mbps, 5G in best condition go up to 20 Gbps. And this high data bandwidth also promises lower latency and the ability to connect more devices simultaneously. Now where does VLSI come into play? Well, it's all about tiny chips that power your smartphones, tablets and all your wireless devices. These are designed using VLSI technology. Now talking about your smartphone, these chips are what make your phone faster, smarter and capable of handling 5G data at lightning speed. Every time you send a text, stream a video or engage in a video call using 5G, this tiny VLSI chip take care of the heavy computations behind the scene. They process the data and make it possible for you to enjoy those ultra fast connections. VLSI design plays a significant role in creating efficient RFICs for 5G. In order to expand the range of wireless communication usage to areas like automobiles, home automation, 5G devices need to be compact and power efficient. VLSI design techniques are all about miniaturization, which helps in making devices smaller while ensuring they are power thrifty, crucial for longer battery life. 5G technology uses advanced features like beamforming, MIMO, that is multiple input, multiple output, etc. to improve data rates and connection reliability. These technologies involve complex VLSI design as well. Let's look into the technical details. RFICs are nothing but hardware needed for wireless communications. In simple terms, it consists of amplifiers, filters, mixers, oscillators and modulators or demodulators onto a single chip, which is needed at both transmitting and receiving end of wireless devices. These chips handle the wireless signals especially in high frequency millimeter wave range. The data to be sent has to be converted to a signal that can be used to modulate the carrier frequency for transmission and vice versa. This is done by baseband processor, which is a chip that can handle the complex signal processing requirements such as channel coding, modulation and beamforming. 5G network requires a significant amount of memory to handle the large amount of data being processed. Advanced memory technologies such as high bandwidth memory are used to meet the memory requirements of 5G technology. As we already discussed, 5G uses advanced technologies like beamforming and MIMO. These technologies require complex algorithm and processing capabilities which can be efficiently implemented using VLSI devices. 5G promises to connect a massive number of IoT devices which requires low power and low latency communication. VLSI enables the development of power efficient devices that can handle this massive data traffic generated by IoT devices. 5G also requires massive antenna array that can handle high frequency signals requirement for communications. VLSI enable the development of compact and efficient antenna arrays that can be integrated with other circuits, leading to the development of smaller and more efficient devices. So 5G systems require highly integrated semiconductor devices that combine multiple functions such as RF front-end, baseband processor and memory into a single chip. These SoCs need to be designed to handle the high-speed, low-latency requirements of 5G networks, while also minimizing power consumption to meet the energy efficiency requirements. Without VLSI innovations, the dream of 5G wouldn't be possible. It's all about packing more processing power into a smaller chip to bring faster, more reliable wireless communication to our devices. The story of 5G and VLSI design converging a path toward a connected tomorrow doesn't end here. It's just the beginning of an exciting era where innovation and connectivity unite. That's it for today. Stay tuned to our channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you.